abushan na mani abre te ameka ne bi sam bi trɛw we asna ye won wo ho ade a ha dwen pa ene say ye nim pa sa ade we enye we nim pa sa there's something this thing ade we am ye sa we ye hwan eni kwan sa me ye na me ye me wa appeal ba akopeye me sa ban ye na be ye a won wa efi ne de metiase se enwura no ye gu ho a esese aban etua won wa esese enwura ne ka na wakofa bola no metiase abusua metiase so se wo ye enwura na esese ma baabi na wo di enwura no kɔ na wo di kogu menim metiase ena menim nso so se sa wo ye fi esese wo tuaka ye fi ye fi pa ye fi pa eto da nye de bia na ye beba abanti so ena ba asemo me kan na me bia abesi kwasi na kasa ana va na sasa no I keep saying say sebie buru sebie nyaado ye nkwa na yagimi ye fee too much abaye wo ye na be ye ya mesima posifo nya tankase se nipa de bola e gugotam ye chiwane ya show ya kakasi ya David enye demo hinkrasi na kwabrane enene nansansuo kakra ya emuna yen fa achimota na fatantra bam wo ho abadome ekwa akodo kwabenya eho ne estate we kwa hebo gotas nim say ensuo emuna ensuo beto enti kwafo asesa bola ne de kogu onobu sisi ya da pa mesrawa ma posifo anya tankasefo ebrim krofo kakra ye fi dodo ye fi too much wo pra bedroom and patch wo di nwura ne gu wo mpa na ada so hey adana adam no wo pra wo di fi na wa pra no wo di gu wo mpa so adana won kasa wo dem ho ball nsi ho enti wo di be gu wo mpa ne so ada enti na mfa gu wo mpa ne so wo dem ho ya ball aka enso wo pra wo dem a wo hu ne nya sabia buru sabia nya do wo hu ne nya sa de ball ani pie fi bedroom e di kogu baby. So why would you want to do this to all of us? Hey, but when I hear be iditi, babam. Ne ho ache ba nya we na mbeka dollars am na me doctor ba me na be show no doctor ba me he wada dai obi an kan kire wa me meka cho plane obi an kan kire wa bra ba me obi an kan kire wa sidini ne dollar wantimi anya foko ubua udwa wanum kwa bra udwa wanum kwa wantimi anya foko. And the way the dollar de America and the city na you say and the way you say me baba say brown be we do wanum kwa so boa we twa ya so sa we twa ya so kroyim we twa ya so sa and that dollar 5 cities 60 pesos. How do you want us to live? Yay. Okay say easy on. Not yet, and that pound, 7 cities, 55 pesos. Yay. Euro, 6 cities, 49 pesos. Dr. Bamia, where are you? Hey, say, honey, I'm managing you. Yeah. Did you catch and says we are now, baby? Yeah, I tell you, where are you? Yeah, bra, where are you? And I'll tell you, Sumsano. Where is Dr. Menson Tabidi? Tell my dollar call 4 cities, 90 pesos. Or say, do 10 cities. Say, dollar, 5 cities, 50 pesos. Where's Dr. Menson Tabidi? Why are people quiet on the dollar and the city? Why are we quiet? to de na bodwa won nya ncha de yentu ba bi no nko offense no nko free bisa won wa boso kan no mo kan kire osesi a sa wo se sika akofra akofa niam ba Ghana wonim se sesi Ghana ha bronya e bedi fakrom 2017 and another by 2018 now we shall say a citizen money move papa now chroma flooded with a lot of things shall say the echo and $4 no say we need 56 million won't be one won't be $1,000 hey we need 5,600 won't be $1,000 are but the bank here Dr. Bamia what do you sa bra hey master sit up oh bra Bamia sit up if nobody will tell you me I will tell you in plain language where any president Akufo-Addo asem it's a me more president the young president in change money ya che wo ba Adom FM ha me ye host me na me ye morning show no host ya so Mike Imam na mkasa sa Fajuani Tigoni asan the story brame na mentimi anya o ma hwe o madwuma na nado odi the president yes wo na we head of the economic management team Dr. Bawumia wa feli yen bra wa feli yen na mane nyansa bra Bawumia e mane nyansa obi anka twa be se me ka kire wo cause I serious pass and nebire ye wo mi yentimi ma dollar din jira fa kokko kan na nkrofo e de ya na nkwara nketenkete fia bi te say de se chwa kan no ma kogu Facebook no mo twa nsama ase o mu didi mi afọ mo yam cause obi am 200 Ghana cedis say on fa kwatwa nse hunu hey dollar enne wonni 5,600 Ghana cedis wonni $1,000 Dr. Bawumia why enye no tiri ato abama ho no that's a woodra wenum kwabra wanya foko we na okofa IGP did me wura tokro no say boy what is afọ akoma IGP say oboa now so IGP won so to aba vice president Safo Abreu now what na ma akrofo aba fa Safo ndeko yey IGP ba kro kware your friend say do kwa say we ba no so na yira Safo ado tigo IGP dada your friend say Asante day Asante apiatu apia went me entu brapia went me entu hey brapia well went me entu na safoya ada hosa mama akrofo abefa kom wa bie ba say dollar wa chi cedi boa na obono say Dr. Bawumia kan dollar ni cedi na sam biam Bisam, when was the last time you heard Dr. Bawumia talking about cedi and the dollar? Bra wakana no watum say jum. Wayelam. Okọ baby na okọ economy ni ho asama. Edu dollar ni yi pepepepe bo say MCs no ashada ko jana chi. Ya say time okọ na bra jai. Ontimi nka cedi ni dollar na sem yo bra Bawumia. Why? Me, I keep telling you, no matter your position, I respect you. I was trained to be very respectful. But when it comes to telling you the truth, no matter your stature, I will put it directly to you, Babam. Sani yen tembia. Because a person yet was a economist or vice president or some doctor kuta PhD in economics. Na se dollar ne pass pan kwana electricity ya say you and the brother I'm sorry wa feli bra wa feli poto. Wa feli papa we obi anfa kwahye na nado ono na ye head of the economic management team. You are the head of the economic management team. Fra won we di dwa no eko China eko Dubai eko ye yetwe ye nye hwi wo manyin o man ye yetwe me se abaye kakra se se ye be pesabie e de abaye fertilizer kura je ye krasabie ba mintimi nkasabie na bi obi didi mintimi nkan deep won etesabie na what you say when my dear friend sabie sabie abaye kakra kura sabie je ye kra adan Adwanum sa na dollar no mete buy within 100 days you bet $2 na go and that wo can say you bet benya $1 2 cedis now say hey brai and you bet to am Cause yeah ni papa ne papa ne ko ye $100 ne de ko bra wo ba ya went me amat cd went me anya no 4 cedis kura to $1 went me ba me went me baba me went me okay can you say percentage you buy the stabilizing t we share difference first na can you 4 cedis 90 first you buy I 5 cedis okay me pacho yeti we oba e kwa mo de no 10 days na so ba me na aduane adi now so aduane a okopa aba no 5 days and so konya aduane aba na say why are they this na oba ni wewu e ye aya na yenja sankwala agro sankwala analysis bi nkwala agro as kindergarten analysis bi ene ade nkwala na ye the percentage so kromodwe ntuntumbra na ye the brofa kese na ye de go entop enya no ne yakan say see wo ko pay $1,000 wo this Ghana sika say na benya $1,000 ene ye hwe enya na sokromodum and sokromotwe ene de ntuntumbru and ntuntumbra nya no ne yaka Dr. Bamia, on this one, what failure? And you need to apologize to us. So where they went to me and you went to me, bra. Went to me. Why we are where went to me? When you need to apologize to us, or you need to tell us something. Second, for me, someone Safari me to come up here too. Appear went to me and two. Until I didn't confront the court because we have Ghana for a fan name fi London no titi won court fa entade ne mpaboa ne ade fi UK no bisa no nka kire o ene na better my man some per £1 ade me kuta 7 cedis 60 pesos ada mbra ba me hey when kwa de wo fa wa feli esa wutimi ye press conference chenchenche na wo ka kire ye denti a wantimi an so dollar de mo ngira ho cause ya aburo so akwasa ebesi ne but the Babin Kwa Mansum and Samson Asaki. I win go bit. And Twaso, or a chairman of my Importers and Exporters Association. And that's like you would come at here.
We are Captain Joseph Michel with for in a
BBI Boko dear.
BBI Boko, Mupaibo, Mehuye, Mehuye. Mijidi say, Uso, Huye, Seno, I don't know what sign on me is a Huya Pana. Utumi ahwade anapawe no madam ohi papa
but as we hoye pa eya kwa say de bia meka cedi ne dollar sem ya wo ne ye fro first mama what realizes ade no
yeah maybe tena odika kai no maybe me ye church for pin ama omo amokra ne mafree amanone na omo amofare mafree hakọ amanone kwato no me jide say I become a relevant stakeholder in this discussion and so perhaps that's the reason why all the time, yeah, back Christmas time, it's a Ghana for you now, mama, bonus papa, and no more bonus papa. I say, Christmas, no, me did say, one person who say, Nema at the sign our doom, because of sending him say, so you're sitting in coffin pet, na dollar na pija, na affected Nema maybe and Ra, or cotton Nema maybe 10 cities, and then look at the rate and Wakano. Because our Juma na you see 10 cities no your page no got 12 cities and 11 cities. Me just say it will affect your budget, it will affect your finances at hand. And say that is the reason why me just say Tigo and many for your say there's a need for them to call me to understand the issues properly in that perspective.
How ben pana de Bramo say because kwa na dollar na kosro.
Well, me that's it. The other said, me on the latest note, who can share former President Mama Gaza, Ghana for and China, Yana, Yarifi. Me who Grafi say, Mr. Ampeju was our former IGP.
Oh, no, meaning sorry, former IGP, and any dinner and MPM Bali.
The other say, me say, it is on the latter note, me say, it is because of that, homogeneity, because. Time my vice president can say he has arrested the city, no, and the dollar rate and locked it up at the police and give the keys to the IGP, no, maybe or jump bill. That's or jump bill. It is the highest degree crime and so. So on coffee, continue doing it. That is just on the light note. But the point is that we have to look at these issues very broadly. Any say what Bank of Ghana. So you say what Bank of Ghana.
Sure.
Na Captain Bank of Ghana. The German say almost prime rate. The German say almost lending rate at the commercial bank level. The German say almost say even foreign bills rate is for dollar amount any rate what the dollar come out how much they will give to you. And Bank of Ghana, and they do this say all the time. Now they should pump dollars into the foreign currency into the market. Okay, during President Kufuor, no one in Accra. I'm sorry, maybe you were in Kumasi or thereabout. Now he give license to the commercial banks to bring forex by themselves, but it was regulated. So at that time, you could see one cedi is $1. So okay, pa. Now, since then, no, it seems the Bank of Ghana have taken a decision to say they must bring the forex. So commercial banks are no more given the opportunity to import their own forex. So that is also how Bakwa also. Another aspect, no, say the Bank of Ghana have left its rule. Now, black market is now regulated. Black market is also to do. Unse sa go for obatema. Say casino area. I mean, so we tema very well, isn't it? Casino area no, but what's most do or even going towards they are committing a crime perpetrated just in the glare of the eyes of the police. Once they offer come to one shell from TMA driving down towards a casino, you will branch right towards police station. You will see them. They will be in the queue all up to the police station gate. If when you are driving coming, then they are stopping you. Whether over $1 or $2, you are coming to change or you are not coming to change dollar. They are just harassing you. Then police is not doing anything. The reason is that the Bank of Ghana has left its job. A job that I paid I too free Bank of Ghana Nissan. Because I remember 6 or 3 months ago or 4 months ago, okay, there was an issue about this dollar issue. Okay. Now even some politicians were asking and the Bank of Ghana came out and said they are going to go all out there for these black market narratives. Still that. So the rate that you are mentioning is the black market rate. They are not determining the rate for the central bank. But I expected it's the central bank that set the rate for that because you give the forest to the commercial bank for onward lending or for them to exchange to sell to their customers. But I can tell you say per dollar and then I can say 5,000 plus to get $1,000 no. Commercial bank if you go there to request for dollar, it will take you 2-3 days. The bank manager himself will call you again and say you have to go to Alaji. Because
what's the Bank of Ghana say pay dollar Rebecca just 2-3 days. Rebecca just you have to go to Alaji.
See, the Bank of Ghana give the forest to the commercial bank to do trading. I hope you are getting what I'm trying to explain.
I'm listening.
And I'm saying, who as a customer, say, okay, bank, maybe bank, but I'm using a scenario. Maybe bank, but a commercial bank and Barclays Bank, and I got a commercial bank, and I NIB, and I Zenith Bank. If you go there and put your forest, you go there and make the request, say you want forest to go and do business, or you want forest for purpose of your trip. You might they will end up calling you to tell you have to go to Alaji. Now, who will say Alaji, on your forest, no way. The Bank of Ghana doesn't give the forest to Alaji Street. Or the forest never commercial bank. And the commercial bank, and then there's a base rate in which you're supposed to treat. So the top or be about $2. So for example, the banking rate might be maybe 5.2. But in the market there, in the banking hall, you see 5.2. But put in your money request and make the request. You won't get it. You end up getting it at 5.6 as you are saying, 5.6 as you are talking about in Alaji. So, so you the trader, if care is not taken, if you don't make prices of your goods properly, at the end of the day you may finish selling and you cannot go back for a trip because you will not. If you are looking at the rate at interbank rate, that's banking hall. Say control banking hall. Who say your friend scrolling and your friend say it's going. They have that screen. You see the rate going through. You see the rate scrolling going through. But give them that guarantees that you're $1. You won't get that of their rate. They will end up telling us to go to Alaji because they know Alaji is trading higher.
That's why I said that the Bank of Ghana, I don't know if they have to take that powers from them. Maybe a Jumano or Muhono, and also, so they can perform all their requirements. But this is a vital role to the detriment of the economy. This is a very vital role to the detriment of the devaluation of our city. So if I were to be the Bank of Ghana, cut that. Where is Alhaji bringing the forest from Togo by road? Is Alhaji bringing the forest from Ivory Coast by road? Is Alhaji bringing the forest from Burkina Faso by road? And they have it in bags? No. The Alhaji go to the commercial banks in the morning, and the bank officers give the money to them. So who customer over has say who per dollar no? They will tell you say go to Alhaji. I'm sure say they are benefiting from Alhaji. That is number one. I am very well sure say the commercial bank trading the dollars no. Because how come you cannot write 5.2 and I put in my money I want 5.2. Then you end up telling me to go to Alhaji, and Alhaji will sell to me at 5.6. So commercial banks themselves, I have not seen the Bank of Ghana holding any commercial bank to ransom. Of course, they can do it. They can pretend by getting a customer to go to the commercial banks where they know maybe in the morning or yesterday, Bank of Ghana has supplied them maybe this amount of forest to them. So they can they can make somebody to pretend, go there and put in a request and see that if he or she will get the rate.
All right,
you will not get. So they will know that they can ask you what happened, because we just gave you forest yesterday. How come I've come and you are now referring me to go to Alhaji? How did Alhaji get it? How much did Alhaji came to withdraw? Of course, you say when him say, Uko bank can withdraw dollar, it's not be more than 5,000 Ghana cedis or $5,000 equivalent. So sorry, $10,000. So him say, you cannot withdraw more than that. But Alhaji have billions of dollars sitting in their market there. So if you send billions of money to them, they will give you in back. That alone. It's not open to trade. I'm robbery. So I'm robbery. Say, who kept the smart? Who got to who got this dollar from Alhaji in your bank? Because but they can case you, they can cross you. But from your bank, if you are transferring to go and pay your customer, straight away from your account to your customer offshore account.
All right. Maminda Wase, Mr. Saki, thanks so much for your time. Cement manufacturing company in Ghana, Gasem, has announced an increase in the prices of its product. According to the company, the new prices will take effect from today, Wednesday, December 11, 2019. Commercial Director of Gasem, Nana Philip Archer, in a statement, said the increment is due to the depreciation of the cedi against major trading currencies. I'm quoting, management wishes to inform customers that our cost of production has increased significantly due to the depreciation of the Ghana cedi against the major international currencies, increased utility tariffs, and fuel and port duties, among other things. To say simple, Mamen Chade, the NTR ama wokwa haba due to the cost on say due to the calculating in dollar, due to the trade Ghana hano, your facilities the trade Ghana duty. You the dollars into your calculating the dollars are no way to be a cedi equivalent. It is a dollar the cost ro pepa who could trade duty and duty the cost ro. It is Gasem say cedi nankasa na osesa and sense na ho de ne kofom since per dollar kwa man say dwaso akodi dwa de ababa ya cement na ekosoro okokra niam na osan so de beduru habo no okwa akoyi a esan say esan calculating in dollar equivalent intino cedi equivalent sorry and it and so sa kosoro simple eti wo kwata amane wo kwato beduru habo na obeyin so a amane. I mean why? Yay. Why? Nasa ban sa de be kum nipa wo. Adwadifo ne yakum wonom. Wo mo hyade mo ntimi nka. Wo anu so ne ade a wo Ghana ha e pira yen. Ade ne hyade ho wo no se fi atefi hye ho na ntimi nka. Cement bo akosoro pepepa mesin fo beto akatuam. Ti cement ne je 50 Ghana beka to se meji 60. Na kwa 70. Onu nya hu sa na iron rod so kosoro. That is a BBA Kosoro. Your Excellency, the Vice President of the Republic of Ghana, with all respect to you and your position, please do something about this. Maybe 0302216561 216 562 0302 216 561 216 562. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Captain.
Maminti Obinia.
Akokene.
Pato yan kontem.
Captain, cement has 7 years. Captain, yes, sir, abine. Yes, sir, abine. Cement in there. And come on the gas and one can amount to cement no price in the sign. Captain, here is the Temase. Captain, not the cement the park was to see. Captain, dollars no. Yes, sir, Papa Baumia. How will get the noon the dollar no quantity? Captain, sir, what is almost $10,000. What will be a caco? Only $8,000 capo. I mean, number 300 million. $8,000 so. 300 million. Now you bet 8,000. Captain, Miss Bola, so dear Bolano. Kama, former MC or the Davis CC Kwanwa. At least we are a field Captain, Scott's not chatting now. And it's a Bola, a simple the East September.
That's it. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning, Captain.
Patron,
if I don't know what to say, I'm going to be because I feel you are contact. You are the Yanko Passy. I know Padia me boy, but why are you be now? Media, dear, how many say last not so for back who pitch no case a brasso. That's to say, you're beside Yanko Ponce, that did not then. Then him dear, with the marble, Winnie Patun to Munquadia at a team Quan, at the Bia, this is Tamsika. Nedia Coco will be Bichale, what in this year Cocofa. 18 Fidia. Broni man, yes, I dear, Radu Mayabi. Now, many Sophia, Papa Vana, Captain. There's also Brasso Ghana for your team work in her. That's how I see what it is. I do to see Bisudia from. As you know, who got the now, Captain. The sea are buying at still. Can need us with the GTS first now, and yes, I did now. And now I see duties. Import duties were also about 50%.
Hello,
Captain.
Yes, sir.
Then the fire, I don't know, Flemish Kamayo. The mechanic say, Captain, the bomber basso. Dollar and some number come, the bomber basso, Papa. Hey, Captain, so two more second, you will learn more. I put you for no $100. Omunya free. Captain, good two more much. Omunya also, and you won't change money, $100 Omunya free. This and I'm more better on my penny 8 to a because we have dollar also call bank now quite a question. Let's say you want change money or you want change money. Says can omunya free as you say be a dollar. Who import no now bar look to more Ghana Ghana can you or say dollar in tier. I didn't just say $2. Captain, it came today. I'm first no been to us.
That's your first no been to us. Hello, good morning.
Morning.
Pacho Maminti.
Yo, me pacho. Oh my dear, and the people die. Oh my, papa, settlement or settlement about one. Thank you, smart. Well, we are about now. Your pet say, who bound now say, Yata the day and the $100 I saw to come any. On one time, about to about to say, idea. I am your class or secondary school free. 3 years, let's go my diamond. 2 months for home, then no sure term. Talk all about some Canadian within what okay can say who grab an animal and take 1 or 2 and then Albanon. So we have to do a bam. That's I don't know. So near Kaya to grab an animal and take 1 or 2. Yeah, I'm William, Natam Bashu, when I'm here, man.
Say, Shannon Swami said, Gassem super rapid cement, no. Canona 30 cities. Say, you got 32 cities, 47 pesos. Tiemi. Me mount cement prices no. Gassem super rapid cement no kano na ye 30 Ghana cedis. Now one wa ekofa beton no de 47 pesos atoso. Ti na wo ton ba ko unya 47 pesos pesika unya no ayiwa. To cement bag ko unya 47 pesos. Se no ne bo na nkasa obekwa akofa free Gassem no. E ko 32 cedis 47 pesos. Entimpacho ti ase o homa me. Super strong cement. Now you 30 cities 83 pesos. Say you got 33 cities 23 pesos. Gassem extra. Now you 31 cities 68 pesos. Say you got 34 cities 18 pesos. Now ufa other competitors no. Dangote, which produces just one variety, and 42.5 grade, a free 32 cedis 55 pesos, equal 35 cedis 55 pesos. It is cement, I do 35 cedis 55 pesos. Enti bomodi ana share nso emrebe mu a meba be mawo cement ahodo ni na se de bia eton no sesei piesre ade no kowiem dodo abayan kasa untimi nsi dan magana fo affordable housing President Kufuor start 2007-2008 besin ne yenye ya adwensi ye bewie aka nwuram de yesi wo sagleme yesi ekadem nti eno nso aka nwuram nti Ghana for na si wo modan no motenam it is a wo ye cement bo no se ya bra ban yo yeda ne ye ho aba ye ba ye beto aso masem
Afize, bibiara ye baby.